but I like your watch.
Well, thank you. So we're going to go find someplace to eat, and then we're going to see if we can hit up the water park, if it's still enough time for today. And the girls want to see the arcade, right? You guys want to see the arcade?
Yeah.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. This time we stayed at CamelBack Mountain Resort, and we got to check out a lot of fun things, including the arcade. So here's a quick breakdown of some fun things that you can do at the CamelBack Mountain Resort arcade. On the main level, you'll find games for younger kids around 2 to 4, but it also houses some of the older kid things like the rock mining station, bumper cars, rock climbing wall, and laser tag areas. Venturing downstairs reveals an even larger arcade area for older kids and adults. I purchased a $50 game card, but we ended up with a huge handful of extra game cards. If you'd like to know how, check out our next video. The twins spent most of their time here. We won a couple of those squishy toys and a stuffed Mario, but the girls were so excited about winning tickets. The tickets are listed on the machine as to how many you can essentially win, but we were able to win a good few. Pro tip, find the water spray game all the way in the back. Each time you play with 2 or more players, you can get a super ticket worth 200 regular tickets. As you can see, this place is fun for adults too. This is actually one of my favorite games. Skee ball was something that I played when I was younger at Coney Island, and it's still one of my favorites still today. There was also air hockey tables and a few other games where if you want a one-on-one with another adult, it'd be a great game to play. Yay, we won! And here comes the We Won More ticket dance. Once you're all done with play, there is a free ticket counter area where you'll add in all of your tickets that you've won, and you'll swipe your card and it'll put all those tickets onto your card for you. We put all the tickets onto one card for Kinsey and Kiyomi and just mentally split the amount in half so that we didn't have to walk around with 2 cards instead. And of course, see what you can win with all of those tickets that you've gotten in the arcade. There are so many items to choose from. Our ticket limit was not quite this high, so we didn't have access to these particular games, but there were so many items and the girls were so excited to go shopping for themselves. They were able to pick out a bunch of little things here and there and filled up their little baskets, so they were extremely excited to be here. But if you have one of those pro players on your team who gets a bunch of tickets, definitely come in here and check out all the different options and see which ones you'll be taking home. I think over the course of the time that we were there, we ended up with a grand total of around 600 tickets. So they had 300 tickets a piece to find things, and Kiyomi was very excited about picking things from that bottom shelf, but that bottom shelf was a little more expensive than her tickets could cover. But they both got a bunch of little things and they were so happy to have them. Thank you so much for watching our CamelBack Arcade video tour. Don't forget to check out our CamelBack room tour that we posted last week, and come back next week to check out our CamelBack Mountain Resort tour. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.